Hi there everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today in this video, we will learn about Introduction to Unix Operating System, Unix Architecture, Features of Unix, Unix Environment and Structure, POSIX and Single Unix Specification. Introduction. Operating system is basically a software that acts as interface between user program and hardware. It performs operations such as, allocates computer resources, schedules routine tasks, provides platform to run application software for user to accomplish tasks, provides interface between user and computer. In Unix, user interacts through a command interpreter called shell. The Unix OS was developed by Ken Thompson at the AT&T Bell Laboratories in 1969. Unix Architecture. Unix architecture has three important agencies: division of labor, the file and process, and the system calls. Division of labor consists of kernel and shell. The kernel is the core of the operating system. It is also known by heart of Unix operating system. It is loaded into memory when the system is booted, and communicate with the hardware. The user programs that needs to access the hardware use the service of kernel through a set of functions called system calls. Kernel manages the system memory, schedule process and decide priorities. The shell receives and interprets the command entered by the users. Even though there is one kernel, there can be multiple shells. A utility is a standard programs that provides support process for the users. Application programs. They are written by professional programmers. They provide extended capability to the system. Next, features of Unix. First one is multi-user system. The system allows multiple users to work on the operating system simultaneously and independently. Next is multitasking system. Unix is a multitasking environment. A user sees one job running in the foreground, and the rest run in the background. User can switch the task between foreground and background. Building block approach. The Unix commands are developed to perform one simple job. That output of the second of may used as input to other by using pipe or filters. For example, ls command is used to list all the files in a directory, and wc is used to count number of words in the file. By using together we get word count of all the files in the directory. Next one is Unix Toolkit. These are general purpose tools, text manipulation utilities, compilers, and interpreters, networked applications and system administration tools. Pattern matching. Unix features a very sophisticated pattern matching features. Next is programming facilities. The Unix shell is also a programming language. It was designed for a programmer. These features are used to design shell scripts. Finally, documentation. The principal online help facility available is the man command, which remains the most important reference for commands and their configuration files. Unix environment and structure. Unix is used in three different computer environments, such as personal environment, time-sharing environment and client-server environment. Personal environment, although originally designed as a multi-user environment, many users are installing Unix on their personal computers or laptops. Time-sharing environment. In time-sharing environment, many users are connected to a particular computer at the same time through various terminals. But their terminals are non-programmable. All the computation are done by central computer. Client-server environment. In client-server environment, splits the computing function between a central computer and user computer. Here the computation is done by both the user and central computer. POSIX and Single Unix Specification. POSIX, which stands for Portable Operating System Interface for Computing Environments. It was developed based on the instructions given by Institution of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. Two of the most important standards from POSIX are POSIX 1, which specifies the system calls, POSIX 2, which specifies the shell and utilities. In 2001, a joint initiative of Open and IEEE resulted in the unifications of two standards. This is the Single Unix Specifications version, SUS3. This consists of write once, adopt everywhere approach. So that's all for this video. Thank you. We will meet you all in the next video.